conclude with the last item. I'd like to introduce the artists accompanying me this evening. On vocal is Sri Sadanam Rajagopalan. Sri Jayanti Das on the Maddalam and Mridangam. Maddalam is the traditional percussion instrument of Kerala, very unique to Kerala. And on the Edekya is Kalamandalam Shri Kumar, who's again playing a very distinct percussion instrument of Kerala known as Edekya. It's a very sacred instrument which is only played in the temples and it is never placed on the floor. It's a very unique instrument because all the Saptaswaras can be played on this percussion instrument. On the veena is Srimati Shyamala Bhaskar. And the dancers accompanying me today are Manjula Murthy, Manjula Murthy. She was recently awarded the Sangeet Natak Academy Puraskar for Most Outstanding Mohiniyattam Dancer, Manjula Murthy, and Mom Ganguly. So we now conclude with Mail Kootu. It's a very simple item where the peacock, I don't think it needs any explanation. The peacock prays to Subramanian, to Lord Subramanya, to shower the earth with rains and remove all his misery. This is in Ragamalika set to Talamalika.
Tarikidati vita puratare tarikidati vita puratare tarikidati vita puratare Dimida puratare